Alright guys, so a lot of you that follow us would know that I'm really big on sustainable. Sustainable means something very different to me to most people. I'm all about trying to recycle, reuse and save as much as possible. On the renovations we do, we save a lot of the timber, but I wanted to show you something I think that's pretty clever that we've done on this CLT home. So this piece of timber that I'm holding in my hand, because the CLT panels are visual grade, and we've got 82 panels on this project, they all come with these little packers, so pine packers, between every single panel. So we literally ended up with hundreds of these little pieces of pine timber. And I actually come up to the site the other Saturday and was doing a site cleanup, and I had the rubbish trailer with me, and I was actually going to throw them all in the bin. And I actually had my 2 young girls with me, and they were getting a little bit bored, so I actually said to them, look, go around and pick up all these and put them in a pile in the garage. And it ended up being this massive pile, and I said, I left them there, I didn't put them in the rubbish, and I thought, well, I'll come up with something I can do with those, like whether I donate them to a men's shed or I take them home and like might be able to make some furniture or something out of them. But what's actually ended up happening is we've finished standing our CLT panels and it's all finished. So a lot of the ends of the walls, there's no capping to go on them, there's no wall lining. So we've obviously still got a lot of work to do on this job. We've got to put subfloors in, we've got to carry materials, joinery through the house, we've got to lay a tongue and groove floor upstairs. So there's actually a lot of risk that these walls, and especially the corners of the walls, could get damaged. So I actually come up with this idea. So I got the carpenters to actually nail 2 pieces together and make a corner. And they've gone around now and put them over the external corners of all the external corners of the panels where they join. You'll see here all the doorways, because we've actually got express shadow lines around all of our external doors and internal doors and windows on this job. So we've protected all the corners, and that way we're going to keep that nice, crisp, sharp edge that's come out from the factory. So like, everyone still has to be very careful on this job, but when we're carrying materials through the home, up the stairs, if something does get hit, we've got this 20mm thick piece of timber that will take the force of it, and that'll make sure that our panels stay in good shape, and we can make sure we deliver our client a great product. So here at DPS Constructions, definitely sustainability is a huge thing, recycling, because I still will take these home. We've actually only tacked these together with some little bullet head nails, and at the end of the job when we take them all off, I'll still take this timber home. If you're out there and you want some of this timber, or you know a men's shed or something that would like it, then I'm happy to donate it. If not, we'll find a use for it, we'll make something out of it. But the other thing is that this is how we get the quality jobs that we get, because at DPS Constructions, it's not just myself, it's my entire team, my supervisor, my site carpenters. Everyone is always looking for ways that we can protect things and look after things, so that we make sure that we deliver every single client the best possible product that we can.